If you've ever tried posting something on your Facebook page containing a photo and a video, you'll realize that Facebook doesn't allow you to add both photos and videos at the same time. So here's a quick and simple solution to address that. This trick doesn't require you to download any third-party apps or access your page on a desktop or a browser. What you want to do is go back to your page, create a photo post, select the photo you want to upload, then click on Done. This will lead you to the post editor. To add another media, click on the camera option below. This will launch your camera. Now the trick here is to click on the lower left icon to select your next media using the camera gallery. Pick a video this time. On the media editor, click on Next. Now you have a photo and a video in your post. To add another, simply go back to the camera option and select another media of your choice. On the media editor, click Next. Now we have 2 photos and a video on one post. That's it, and you're all set to share. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.